Hey, I'm Jasmine with WTI. We live in warmer weather, so I was looking for a sleep sack that would keep my little one comfy but cool. This pair of 100% organic cotton muslin sleep sacks from BSTOPPT were the perfect solution for us. Our little one runs pretty hot, so we wanted something that would not cause him to overheat, yet keep him nice and cozy while he naps and sleeps. It also has a double zipper, which makes it a lot easier to put on and take off, even if you have a wiggly baby like me. And it also makes it easier for diaper changes because you don't have to take the whole thing off. We got the 18 to 24 month size, and it fits my baby so well. He still has freedom to move around, and it's not restrictive at all. He can still stand up in his crib. So if you're in the market for some lightweight sleep sacks for your little one, definitely check these out. You're gonna love them, and that's my point of view.